Yeah, good day. Welcome to multi-net design and the continuation of our chief judge residence that we are designing. Remember, this is a 5-bedroom duplex. In this particular one, we have a 1-room ground floor, and the remaining rooms are going to be at the upper floor. So we want to proceed to upper floor before we develop some features about this background to make this ground floor completed. So you move to the first floor, then you start the program gently. Click here. So start processing the whole wall by clicking on it. Then start like this. So you trace out everything is all about the following essential to trace it out. So follow the whole process like that. Okay, that is the first aspect. So the second aspect, like, so that's why you create everything accordingly. Okay, let's say like this. So the next one is going to be a trace down. So we'll stop there. So go on. So the position of the stair, this is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to extend this outside. So it's have a little bit of recess outside, like 1 meter. Good. So it's going to be like this manner. Okay, so I maintain the outright big of the size of this whole thing. It's going to be here like this. So I click here to follow the instruction and the instructional code. Now the front is going to have something interesting, and that is where the beauty of that positive impact lies. So I'm going to take it, it's going to be like 1000, let's say 2000, copy in this manner. Okay, so now let me arrange the whole internal activities, so that this particular building is going to have its own. Good. So let me have it this one. So I'm extending this one to have something like a little bit of recess back. So it's going to be like 800. So click this way and then centralize this man. Good. So we have it in this way. Then let's create the curve. I'm going to do this one. Good. So I'm selecting this and bringing it down to this point. So this one, I'm going to divide it like this. So this is just the method of rearranging the plan for the purpose that is being made for. So I'm going to delete this. Good. So I'm going to delete that. Then while this is maintained, good. So I'm going to remove this one in this middle. So the rooms are going to be like this. This one is going to have a little bit of extension. Okay, 4000. Okay, this it's okay like that, and this one is going to be like this, which is purely okay. Okay, so I'm going to have this one from here to here is be what? It's going to be 9000. Okay. Then the next one is I'm going to delete this. Click here and have this do this one done. So create another expression of reality. So this is another So what is the function of all these spaces that were created? So this one serves as from when you come to the upper floor at this level. Okay, and join, then click here. Fine and beautiful. So when you have this one at the upper level, this is the room, this is another room. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So this is the close, what is it called? This is the closet for the master bedroom. Master bedroom will still be, because it takes the position of the whole entire living room downstairs. So that is what you maintain as on the master bedroom. So let's put the opening, which is doorway, to the position. So for now, I'm not going to do, go to it, just click and paste. Okay, and then you have this one in place as well. You can come and put this one here. Good. So the next one will be, yes, this one will be here. Remember, this staircase we need to give way this stair, or because upper floor doesn't need any enclosure and this function. So you put this one there on the entrance for the main master bedroom. So we are able to do this. The next thing is to click and say this is for this. So this one is for this as well. Okay, these are the toilets that's going to be, and this is going to go for this one, and this is coming for this one. So everything is set at this position. So you do this one, and you maintain these aspects on their whole. So you click here again, and then draw this from here, draw it here. So this is the enclosure. So the next thing you do is that, let me represent it with a graph. So now this one is a room. So the energy side is what is going to be staying here. So put it like this, and then because of the sharpness of this, I want to remove the sharpness. So take it there and then drop it like this. So click here, drag it down again. This guy gone. So you click here and select. So what you do, select trim it. So select this and do the same thing. So that edge is gone. So that is the formula. So that sharp edge is gone, and it's gone for good. So what we do next is that click on this architecture and say create floor. So from there now you create the floor around this place. So this is what we have done, and then manage, modify, sorry. So at this junction you click and say trim it again, then trim the last one. So it's anywhere to trim anymore. So click finish, let's see what happens. So you click the finish like that, and you have this in positions. So this is the veranda, balcony. So click here and you have this in place, which is the end outside. So as we are done with that, you bring what is replicate at the ground floor. All these are necessary. So you click here, select this, select, and say copy to clipboard. So you can just say align to selected level, this level 2, and say okay. To still delete instance, and then go back there and see what you've done. So most of these that are not here is because they have issue with the opening aspect. So click there like this, delete this. So what do we have? Like this one, and say okay, I think you have issue with that one as well. So click there and say underlay is there. So I just need to bring, let's say, window. The window of this is going to be, yes, fixed name window. So I'm going to go here and say create similar. So that's what you have. So delete this. This window is not appropriate at that junction. So we have this one. So you go to start and see what we have created. Move, click. So this is what we have created in start elevation. Then we reduce this one, reduce the height, and say 21,000 as the normal height. So we have this in place, we have this in place. So it's not finished. So that is just the first aspect of our design that we have done at this level. So the next thing is that we want to cover up for this ground floor. So what we do is that we click here and say select. So remember, we have to close this down. It was opened and to be closed. So that is done at that level. So you click here, select all instance in this view, then copy to clipboard, go to foundation, and then say align to current view. So delete all instance, then you come to this height, go to start elevation first and see what is there. Then you go back and say minus 800, because I'm going to give the space for slab to stay. So delete it, connect, and say sorry, 800 should be the what I put, not minus. Yes, delete all instance. So it come back to normal. So from the ground floor, we go there and select it. So you select all instance in this view, select all instance in this view, and delete all of them. Select the same thing, select all instance in this view, and delete all of them. So when you go back to the start elevation, you're going to see the flowing of all this we had here now flowing. So delete this and whatsoever. So now go to the ground floor, and then you create your slab straight up. So the slab is being created. I'm going to create it in form of rectangle from edge to edge. So I'm going to extend this one because of the entrance porch that we have at that place, and the railing that I have at that particular position. So I have done this. So I'm going to do this and create this halfway from here. Then I trim the remaining one. So trim everything. So I've done with this now. So I go back to this and give a certain labeling to everything that I've done. So I'm going to do by saying click and then you start by saying this by master bedroom, master room. That is 1. That's another room, room 2. Good. Then room 3. Good. Then room 4. So those are the legendary map for the rooms that we have created at this position. Text area 2. So do the same thing. Text. So select this one on instance. Then convert it to here. Good. So you convert it to this particular one, and it's still good. So you have it like that, and it's done. So this one is going to be copy, and say copy this and put it here, and you call it Control here, call it wardrobe closet. Good. So this will be a master closet for this. So it's going to be a big room and be a very nice inside there. Now you can, let's align this to this. Click save. Then you remove the excess. Finish. So this is done, and this is apply. So every other thing we are going to design is going to follow this particular principle from now till the end of this design. So there are still some adjustments I was still going to make to this, but this is just the beginning for you that you are learning, and for you the process of your building, and encouraging you to follow this and understand the basic principle one after the other. So in the next class, we are going to base our idea on the type of the staircase we are going to use, the method that we are going to use to create the staircase on its own, because it's going to be a different pattern. So we're going to detail all this room by arranging the template and every other thing, and some certain things that are going to be here before we proceed to the next topic. So thanks for watching. Time for this.